What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Wurkkos TS10. All right. Now, we got some of the specs here. Max Lumens is at 1400 and throw is 130 meters. All right, let's take a look at the box. Here's all of the run times, lumens, and throw. All right. And you know what? This one is 4,000. What the hell? 4,000K. Yep. Brass. Got Redlight. Made in China. All right. Let's get into it. Magnetic box. Should we take a look at this? There's a lot of information in here. No one ever pays attention to almost. You guys can pause it if you need that. And the roll, very complex. I usually don't use all of it. I just like to turn on the light, make it lower, higher, whatever, right? Strobe. Need a turbo mode, you know. And the roll can do a lot. You know, maybe it'll cook some eggs for you too. All right, it's sealed. Lanyard, O-rings. We have a clip here. We have a diffuser. Look at this. I don't know. All right, diffuser, clip. Clip looks cool. There's no clip on it right now, so it's gonna need it. All right, let's just get right into this right now. Now, let's pop this bad boy open. Naff. All right. All right, let's put this aside, and now we at the point of no return of patina. All right. This is a brass light. There's a little protective film on it. Not that big. Button on the end. Clip goes here, looks like. Let's see what we got here. Do I have one here? Damn it. I do not seem to have my scale over here. Wait, no, I do have my scale. You know, Tim Z's always prepared. Let's power that bad boy on. .159 ounces. All right. Yep. All right. So 3.1, 3.2. It's a brass light, so it is a little heavier, but it just adds to the cool factor. All right. Now let's get to the battery. Oh, excuse me. Get that film out. 3 LEDs in there, batteries here. The battery is a rechargeable lithium ion, 14500, 900 milliamp hours. Now, let's see, is this, all right, it's got a sleeve in there. And the outside body is brass. Let's pop this back in. All right. Right now, what I'm liking, oh shoot, it's already red. Ooh. All right. I'm not gonna force that. I guess this part's not supposed to come off. I mean, it probably could, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not trying to break the light. Just take this top part off to get to the battery. You know, they probably maybe has some thread locker on it. All right. Now, this is cool. We'll put the clip on it just because you could just drop this in your pocket. It's small. Oh, shoot, the light's still on. When I'm holding it like this, you can't even tell if the light's on or not because it's reflecting light off of the lamp. All right, let's pop this on. Silver clip on a gold body, brass body. It works, right? All right, let's see, one tap. One tap is the red. Now, if you hold it, then it turns to the yellow light 4000K, low, and that looks like it's off. A little bit different than the Andurils I'm used to. Now, you got red, and I can't really see how bright the red is. All right, this red, it's good enough to like read in the dark. You know, if you don't want to blind yourself and you want to read something, it works, right? Then you hold it down, ramps up. Double tap is turbo. When you press it again, it turns off, then it's red. The red's kind of cool. You know, they got a bunch of colors. They got like orange, blue. That's so dim, man. Moonlight is super dim. Wait, where's the specs? Oh, just dropped it, bumped the camera, dropped everything. Of course. No edits here though. 50 lumens? Really? No. That is super low. This might be the dimmest flashlight I have in the moonlight, which is good. Super bright. Look at that. And 4000 K, great color temperature. Look at this. It looks like perfectly white, pretty much. It's easy on the eyes. It's not too cool. It's not too warm. I like this. Turbo, double tap, right? Let's see if there's a, wow. Let's see if there's a triple tap strobe. All right, just, yeah, you know what? There is so many things this thing can do. And it's things that, you know, more than I need. It's cool that it's there, but I don't need all those features. I like the color temperature. That's the main thing here. And turbo mode is nice. Run times are good. And the red light's kind of cool. I don't know, does the red light get brighter and, oh, sorry guys. It looks like the red light gets dimmer, brighter. It seems like it gets brighter for some reason. Let's see. Oh, again, right into the camera. The red light is super nice. I mean, it's so cool. I don't believe I have another light like this one. I think this is a keeper. All right. It's brass. It's gonna patina. I know some of y'all like your stuff to be perfectly shiny and gold forever. You know, yellow color. But it's gonna patina. And that's nice, right? A lot of people are into it. Wait, is that light on? That's one thing about this light. I'm not gonna be able to tell if the light is on. It's so it's on. How do you turn this off? Double tap? Nope. It seems like it's always on. Huh. You know what? We're going to have to take a look at it. This is really bad because it's on camera and I'm not editing this. But I simply just don't know how to use it right now. Weird. The Redlight. Where are the instructions? Turn. Click. Turn on. Man, these letters are super small. One click should be off. I mean, one click should be off. Is red off mode or something? The heck? Anyways, I'm not going to talk about this on the video too long. I'll figure that out later. It is very cool and very battery efficient, energy efficient. I will leave a link in the description for this flashlight if you guys like it. I do like it. I just need to learn more about this light. Yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, right? Please subscribe. I know so many people who are watching, they don't subscribe, but I need subscribers and likes and stuff to boost myself and this channel and the algorithm, right? We are not doing too well right now, but you know, there's room for improvement, right? Anyways, you can follow me on Instagram, TimZUSA, and until next time, Tim Z